What's going on? My name is Mike and I am standing in front of the 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Pro in this beautiful khaki green color. Out of the available color options, I think this is by far the most handsome. Today I'm going to be talking about a simple accessory which will add to the comfort of any passenger you may have on your bike, and that is this backrest. This comes from Dynamic Motorcycle Accessories and is very easy to install. Dynamic Motorcycle Accessories is an American company which provides motorcycle parts for many different makes and models. If you visit their website, you'll be able to see if your motorcycle is supported. When you are purchasing the backrest, please remember that the mounting plates that you see here and here are not included in the purchase of the backrest. These must be ordered separately as a part. The package comes with everything you need to mount this backrest and very detailed instructions that make the process easy. If you are doing this modification, you will need a 5mm Allen wrench and a 12mm socket to remove the existing bolts from the back of this motorcycle. If you're installing the backrest or Givi top case hardware, you'll also need a 4mm Allen and a 10mm wrench. This is all described in the instructions very clearly. The first step of installation is removing the original bolts that are seen here, and there are 4 of them, and that you will use your socket for. Once that's completed, you install the spacers that come with your dynamic backrest and then attach the mounting plates on top. Dynamic Motorcycle Accessories also provides Loctite for these 4 screws that you see here. After that, you simply install the backrest with your Allen wrench here, and there's also available space to modify how far back you want to have the backrest for your passenger's comfort. Once everything is tightened, you're ready to go. Let's see what it looks like with a passenger. So you can see the backrest sits right here in the lower back, giving her the support so if there's sudden acceleration, she doesn't fall backwards. And then the stock hand rests are still here that she can grab onto for additional support. Do a closer up look now, see how that looks. How's the comfort level with this backrest?
Super comfortable.
Super comfortable, excellent.
Lots of cushion.
Perfect. Overall, the build quality is excellent, all the way from the welds to the mounting equipment. The shape fits perfectly with the bike and the black color matches well with the existing seats. There's also fairly comfortable padding in the back for your passenger. Overall, this is an excellent modification and one you should seriously consider if you plan on having passengers on your motorcycle. The added comfort, stability, and feeling of safety that this will bring is something that your passengers are going to love. Especially if you plan on doing longer road trips, you may want to consider this for your passengers' comfort. Thank you again for watching, and follow along with the channel as I bring you more reviews and installation videos.